Hello and welcome back to the Lash & Brow booking system tutorial. Today's tutorial is on scheduling. So once again, from your dashboard, select schedule. Now scheduling is used to block out appointment dates and times, and also you can add appointments from this section. So the schedule is done in relation to the service that you have added, and it's also within these hours that you've added. So these are your core hours for the service. And here you can make changes on a daily, weekly, monthly basis or a time slot basis. First, I'm going to go through how to add an appointment using scheduling. So you select the service. And as you can see, these are appointments that have already been made under this service. You can show the next week. Now, if I wanted to add an appointment, instead of going through the appointment section, I can actually just open up an appointment box here. Add in the customer's details, add their phone number, and any comments, and then add. This will now add the person to that time slot, and it will remove them from your booking service. So anyone coming onto your booking service will not be able to book that time. Also, if you want to delete an appointment, or cancel, if someone rings up and wants to cancel an appointment, you can come into schedule, find their name, and actually delete their appointment. So that is adding appointments using scheduling. Next, I will do a tutorial on locking dates and times.